Welcome back to TNT time. We've got hole 8 at Overlake Golf Course.
175 yards.
Looks like a middle pin. I'm just going to take a 9. Probably come up a little bit short, but it should be on the green. I suck at watching the ball down, but that was amazing. I had reason to be a little thought, look at that. There's the pitch mark, and we ended up ripping back over there. So it was a really good shot. Let's see if we can knock in this bird. If you're lucky enough to make it down the green, make sure you fix those pitch marks. Tap them down, keep the greens clean. Inches short.
Pussy.
We'll take a par. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.